Yo, what's good, guys? As always, it's your boy Zagi here, and I'm bringing you guys another video today on some how to make your own thumbnail and stuff. There's a lot or many different ways that you can actually do this, and the website that I'm going to be using today is called 𝖾𝖚𝖊.com. It is a free web-based editor, and it's very simple to use. You just really need to kind of work with me and just kind of understand and play it back slowly and stuff. So what we're going to be doing is let's first get a thing off of the internet. So So what we have here is just basic thumbnails and templates. So what I'm going to be using today is, man, that one's really cool. All these are really cool. I'm gonna make, yeah, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna save to my desktop. And I'm going to type that real quick, and after that downloads, you guys are going to actually refresh the page, refresh it, open, and then you guys are going to go to your picture that was uploaded. Where's that? There it is. So after this is here and stuff, what you guys are going to want to do is go to this website called 𝖾𝖚𝖇𝖘𝖈𝖗𝖎.com, and this is where you can get many fonts for free and stuff. You just need to download them, and the font that I'm going to be using today is called Abstract. And I'm gonna search it, and where is it? No, it's against. So hold on, guys. I'm going to see why there's, yeah, against. So here's what the thing looks like, in case you guys are wondering what it looks like. It's a very cool and basic thing that you guys actually need to download, because this is also going to be used for logos and much more like that in other videos. So after we go and get the font from the 𝖾𝖚𝖇𝖘𝖈𝖗𝖎𝖊.com, it's called against, or yeah, it's called against. Yeah, it's going to give you different folders for different things. So anyways, we are going to go to 𝖾𝖚𝖊 now, and we are going to type tool, and we are going to put it right here. And since this video is going to be called how to make thumbnails for your videos, hold on, guys. Okay. So we are going to go white with that, yep, and gonna press OK. We're gonna do 25 font. Then this is the cool part, guys. So there's many of ways you can do this. Simply, what I'm going to do is just click the enter button, and yeah. So right here, you're going to see that it's going to look just like that. make sure you guys have capital letters or whatever you guys want to use. Hold on, there's this little glitch going on with my keyboard. There it is. And what we're going to make this is against, as I said, against. Yeah, it's against, guys. Sorry. Anyways, we're going to take this. We're going to now, since it's a tinier font, we're going to try to go 35. We're going to actually go 40 to make it full screen and stuff. So that's how it's going to look right now. And if you guys want to edit it, like I'm doing right now, you guys want to go to layer styles. I usually do drop shadow, and I make it just kind of like a little different distance. I not too much. I do it like that. I do it 100 size. I just leave it at 0. And you guys can do inner shadow. It doesn't really. It makes a difference, but it's not catastrophic to do. But it does take the color off of it. 𝖊𝖊 is don't use this if you don't use it every day like I do. So there's really no sense of using it. There is a sense in other cases, but not right now. This right here, we're going to apply that right there, the outer glow. The inner glow is just the same thing. We are going to make this about there, and we are going to make it black. See how it kind of outlines it and makes it look crisp and clean? So what we can do is we can do a smiley face. What am I doing? Alright, so as you guys can see, we can have one of these. Sorry about this, guys. And we can have all these different ones, but I'm not gonna use any of these. I don't think so. So what you guys want to do is, this is very, very crucial to what you guys are doing. So what you guys want to do is go to the layer tab, and if you guys want to add a new image or layer as layer, go to that. And what you guys want to do is, let's say I want to have let's say this Instagram logo, for instance, guys. So wherever this is at, don't know where it's at. Anyways, we're gonna try to go to this. That's weird. I guess like that's okay. But there's different things that you guys can do. You guys can blur or do whatever. Like, see, like there's a lot of things you guys can do. Sorry about slurring right there, but there filter is just this button, kind of. There is something else you guys can do. And lots of people use this. So what you guys can do is, I'm pretty sure. I think it's not layer styles. Actually, it might be layer styles. See, bevel in this case kind of, it's meant for like rounding the thing a little bit. If you want to do it like that, I would, but like I would only set it to fully white, and then it kind of makes that crisper look to it. Drop shadows the same exact way, but we don't need to mess with any of that settings. So we're gonna click OK, guys, and as you guys can see, it's turning out to be pretty good, in my opinion. You guys can free transformation stuff, wand tool, pencil. There's a lot of things you guys can do. There's also this button that hue and saturation. I forgot about this, guys. So you guys can change the hue to whatever, and it actually changes the background if you have the background selected. So you guys can change it to whatever you guys want, and in this case I am probably just going to leave it right there. I like purple. We are going to I think 0 looks the best. Lighten, no. We're going to leave it at 1. We might actually come up to 52. I think 52 looks clean, or we might go back down to blue. I don't know, boys. I don't know. So that's our original thing. So I don't know. Like, ooh, right there. That looks good. Alright, colorize, you guys can just kind of change it like that. So this option, I usually like it because it's just, it helps lots of things, like brightness, exactly what I told you, contrast, exactly. Not gonna do too much to this. I'm gonna probably leave it right there. Brightness is probably gonna be 0. And yeah, so that's all I'd say. Very quick video on, not too quick, but pretty quick video on how to make a thumbnail for YouTube videos. If you guys enjoyed that, make sure you guys subscribe, smash the like button, and turn post notifications on, and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and visit my website because I'm going to probably be posting new stuff on there. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, smash the like button, turn post notifications on, and 𝖭𝐸𝖊𝖇𝖊. Peace, guys.